In this video, I will share my love for my crown. I am the Eco Clean Queen, and I have a coach, and she suggested that I get a crown. I'm a queen, so I need a crown, right? And I didn't want to just purchase any crown on Amazon. My coach suggested, make your crown. I'm not as crafty as I would like to be, so I went on to Etsy and I found Cura. Cura is a designer. She makes crowns. We just had a conversation through Etsy and she was willing to make the crown for me, and I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, Cura, for doing this. So here she is, and I'll just tell you a little bit about her. So these feathers represent feather dusters. And the sponge is a walnut sponge. On the inside of the crown, she put holes so that I could add pipe cleaners to the crown. It gives it a nice native headdress look. So here I go. Here's the crowning. Dun, 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 dun. Yay! It's got a cushion inside, so it's super comfortable. And I just want to give a good shout out to her for her masterpiece artwork. And if you are interested in purchasing a crown for yourself, or you have a cosplay event coming up, contact Cura. You won't be disappointed. She's amazing. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, click on the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll be notified for the very next one.